TikTok is unlike every other platform, regardless if you're selling your own products via your shop or if you're promoting other people's shop products as an affiliate, right? It's not a marketplace where customers can search for specific products and then compare different sellers and find the best option and offer for them. Instead, you are directly selling to customers with your videos, and while price does matter, it is not the most important factor. If I make a better video that gets more attention, I might sell more of a specific product than somebody with a better price that didn't get as much attention on their video. And so, the most important factor is your video. Now, the entire initial goal should be to find and link products that are already in demand. And you can do this so easily with a software like Kalodata. I've done several tutorials on this. I will link one at the bottom of the description for you if you want to check it out. Then, once you know what's already proven to sell and turn TikTok viewers into customers, it's simply time to make a banger video that gets the most attention possible. With a great video, the TikTok algorithm can then pick it up and suggest it to hundreds of thousands or even millions of people literally overnight, filling your wallet with money in the form of shop sales or affiliate commissions. Now, of course, every video that you upload isn't going to go viral, but that's to be expected. If you're creating videos on hot products that are already in demand, then you really only need one or two to pop off to make some real money. So then, how can you create high quality videos that actually get views and actually get people to buy the product? Here's one of my winning formulas. So first, I'll find other successful videos that are currently selling that specific product, and you can search TikTok's product marketplace and it'll suggest you other videos that are linking to that product successfully. Or you can also do this directly in Kalodata. When you find the product too, you'll see the videos right next to it. Then I'll paraphrase that video script, and you can write down the voiceover manually yourself, or you can play it out loud from your phone or from the computer and use something like Microsoft Word or the notes on your phone to dictate what it hears. And I typically do this with a few videos for that product because you get suggested a bunch, but we'll just do it with one for this example. Next, I'll paraphrase that script and I'll put it into my own words, but I'll keep the first roughly 5 to 10 seconds exactly the same, since we know that hook in the beginning most likely had the strongest part to play in getting people to stop mindlessly scrolling TikTok, watch, and then click the product video. I'll also usually keep the call to action at the end very similar, if not exactly the same, assuming that there is one. There usually is, but that's not always the case for every video. So now you have the script that's proven to get interest. You have the product that's proven to sell. Now we just need some quality video footage to overlay and put on top of our voiceover that syncs up well and makes sense. To get this, you could order the product to yourself and film some UGC. Typically, most products that you'll see on TikTok can also be found on Amazon, so you can usually get them to your house pretty quickly within a day or two roughly, and then record some B-roll of the product being used. You could also use an AI software like Creatify AI, for example. I've done several tutorials on that as well. I will link one of those at the bottom of the description if you want to check that out too. Or one of my favorite methods is just outsource the product visuals to a professional company that will do it all for you and then send you back high quality product videos that you can actually use without lifting a finger to record the videos yourself. Now, my go-to site for this is Viral Ecom Ads. Check them out if you're serious about selling products with videos on TikTok. If you go to viralecomads.com or just click the link in the description and you go over to their ad packages, you'll see that you can order the split testing package for TikTok videos for just $50, which will give you 3 videos that you can post for every product. And that's roughly $16 for an outsourced high quality professional product video. And then if you decide to sign up for the VIP plan as well, it gets exponentially cheaper per video, which is what I do and I recommend. But the best part, in my opinion, is you don't need anything to prep them. You don't need to give them too much information. You can simply give them the URL of the product that you want videos on, and they'll email you those videos in just 3 business days. You don't need to do anything. To me, it's a no-brainer. It saves me time. It allows me to pump out tons of these TikTok shop videos to actually get sales, because in my opinion, the easiest way to scale is horizontally, whether you're focused on TikTok shop or TikTok affiliates. It's to get a lot of these videos up as fast as possible. At the end of the day, it's simple math, right? The more videos like this that you post, the better chance you have that 1 or 2 will go viral and make you more money. This isn't something that I'm telling you you could do too. I literally use this exact method myself and it works pretty well. So here is an example video that I created recently showing how I've turned a popular supplement video that had already gone viral into roughly the same exact exact viral script, same exact viral product that I linked, obviously, but my viral e-com ads videos that I ordered on top of it. Please do not be stupid like me and try taking both of these. Nobody on TikTok is talking about how dangerous it is to mix these two supplements together. Now, this sea moss was already too much. It's got black seed oil, ashwagandha, and ginger. This one had me up all night after a night shift. I was cleaning my apartment. My dog was sleeping and I was waking him up to go potty. Crazy stuff. That's how much energy I had. And this black one, you ain't got to be stressed about nothing. I had a test next morning, didn't study, but you already know I passed it. I was not stressed. I used to have a little bit of social anxiety as well, and that's gone too. Now, you might not get x-ray vision, you might not be able to fly, but these two together, man, you're going to be feeling like a superhero. The only bad thing is this combo sells out quickly, and I'm putting you on some game here. There's a bundle deal happening right now on the TikTok shop. I'm putting the link on this video for you. I just grabbed 10 packs myself to stock up before they sell out, but get it at your own risk, guys. This stuff is potent. Now, I didn't have to record that product video myself and spend any money ordering the product to myself first. I instead just use viral e-com ads to put visuals over top, as you can see. So I really hope this helps. Try this out. You don't need to reinvent the wheel to see success on TikTok. And if you're already going after what's already working, then you have a much better chance, with some consistency, of course, to see success.